Whoa, here we go. It was such a beautiful game when it came out.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today.
Before I became a professional streamer and gamer, I just played video games like everybody else. I don't even really think the path was set up, right? I didn't have people to like look up to who are making, a bunch of money, and I could point and be like, I want to be, I want to be like that guy. My name is Tyler Blevins, also known as Ninja, and I'm a full-time streamer.
Slytherin forever, I think that I'm on buddy. How's everyone going, dude? There's a lot of players left.
Unless you're one of the best players in the game, when you start off streaming and you're trying to just build a brand from scratch, it's important to start with like a smaller game that has a smaller, more tight-knit community, because in the directory of the game that you're playing, you're not going to be buried behind, millions of people who are streaming Fortnite, or the hundreds of thousands of people that are streaming the most popular games at the time. And you can work on building your community, and you're way more easily discoverable in a smaller game.
Stick around and spread the word that this is my new channel. All right, thanks guys.
With me, I kind of got lucky. I was just doing it. I was competing in Halo Reach, and there were that many Halo streamers, maybe like 30 or 40 that were live at a time, so it wasn't that hard to scroll down and find me when I started streaming. And that was something that I kind of just lucked into.
Thank you guys, have a good day.
The easiest way to build a following is to just be really talented at the game that you're playing. The majority of gamers are the bottom 99% who are on their way up to try to work their way there. So what they want to do is they want to learn. So to be able to entertain just because your gameplay is so good, and also to be able to teach your audience, what you're doing and how to get better, that's a huge focal point of people wanting to tune into a stream. And that's one of like my favorite things about my stream is I'm really good at the games that I play. I can be funny, I can be entertaining, and I can also teach them how to improve and how to get better at the game.
Me personally, I would drop down and kill this kid right now, knowing that guy just shockwaved super far away.
I think I started realizing when I could do this full time, probably right around my early college years, when I really started to make some decent money. But when I was a kid, I was only just playing with my brothers. I wasn't even playing online, and then Xbox Live comes out, and that was really when competitive gaming kind of started to pick up, and people were like, oh, we can actually kind of hold tournaments and play against people across the world and stuff like that.
Everyone's parents are completely different, and I really hope this does help you guys though.
I had to have a big discussion with my mom, because that involved me dropping out of college. I was in my second year. I told her, I was like, Mom, if I start making more than $30,000 to $40,000 a year, I want to just take this full time.
Bam! I love you guys. I'll be making more videos soon. It's just the exposure.
Once Fortnite kind of hit and we blew up and got absolutely massive, and we hit the mainstream and started playing with, had that session where I played with Drake and Travis Scott and Juju Smith. After that, I think that was when Jess and I started to like take a step back and realize, okay, this is something that is not just streaming anymore. It's not just gaming. It's getting bigger than that. And that was when we started to just strategize and really went all out. It's not just all about streaming and being there, all day, every day. If you want to actually build a brand and get bigger than what Twitch or what YouTube can reach. And in order to do that, you have to take time and get your name out there and network. I think we have at least 30 people on our team. If we count our agency, and we have a PR team and a social media team. All of that is thanks to my lovely wife and manager Jess, who basically put all of those people together and has really helped build out Team Ninja to where it is today. I think that the only people who know how important Jess's work is people who have the exact same team behind them. A lot of people just think that it's like me in a chair streaming and, oh, I'm going on Jimmy Fallon, or, oh, I'm going on, this interview, Good Morning America, doing these podcasts, whatever. And like, that's not me. I'm not sitting there replying to these emails. I'm not reaching out and connecting to these companies and these organizations every single day after I'm done streaming and like I'm setting all that stuff up, right? No, that's CAA, that's Jess, that's our entire team that we've put together.
What's up, YouTube? It is Tuesday. You know what that means? Fortnite has added 3 new items.
Learning just came with experience and time. I was lucky again where I was able to kind of get in at the beginning where really no one knew what they were doing and everyone was just kind of streaming and playing video games. And as we got older and as I continued to stream more and more, it was just knowledge that I picked up along the way. I'm at the point in my career where, I'm 30 years old. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be streaming, like 5, 10, 20 years. Like, do I see myself as a 50-year-old streamer? Like, you know, at the point where I'm at right now, I've just wanted to give back as much as possible for streamers who are starting out.
I'm going to break everything down for you guys in the next 30 days.
Let's go. Oh my goodness, the precision, the aim, the accuracy, baby.
So I have a whole masterclass that I recently did, and that is pretty much everything that you need to know about streaming. The same questions that I've been answering for the last 10, 11 years, every single day in my chat. You know, Ninja, what game do I play? Ninja, how do I stream? How do I start this? How do I this? It's like, okay, well, I think it's time now to just put all of those answers into one, you know, masterclass and just put it on one spot for people.
I'm Ninja, and this is Masterclass.
I love being able to entertain and watching the chat, have fun, meeting fans and seeing their, you know, amazing bright faces. I mean, I have such a wide audience, but I mean, I love the kids, man. Taking pictures with kids when they're like, you know, from ages 4 to 12 and just seeing their faces, just, you know, that's my favorite part about everything.